Today, we're flipping through the instruction manual of the LEGO Minecraft The Iron Golem set, model 21123. Perfect for kids 8 and up, this set is a great combination of two favorites, LEGO and Minecraft. In the set, we have Alex, the brave adventurer, a zombie ready to attack, a cute baby pig, and of course, the iconic Iron Golem to protect the Minecraft world. You'll also find a crafting table, furnace, and a pumpkin to complete the golem build. As you flip through the instructions, you'll see the step-by-step guide on how to mine iron ore with Alex's diamond pickaxe. Smelt it in the furnace using the crafting table to create iron blocks, and then bring the iron golem to